In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Slack bot to n8n. We'll start inside the Slack API portal, where you'll create a new Slack app. Think of this app as the identity your automations will use to talk to Slack. Give it a clear name and link it to the workspace where you want the bot to operate. Once the app is created, you'll see a settings menu. That's where you'll configure permissions and get the token that n8n will use. Open the OAuth and permissions section in your app settings. This is where you define scopes, which are the specific permissions your bot will have. Keep it minimal and intentional. For example, if you only plan to send messages, you'll typically need a write permission for chat. If your workflows need to read channel info or monitor messages, you'll add the corresponding read scopes. Slack's documentation lists what each scope does, so cross-check what your workflow needs and enable only those. In the same area, set your redirect URLs. These are used during the app installation process to complete OAuth. Use a stable, correct URL for your environment and make sure it matches exactly, including protocol. When you're done, install the app to your workspace from the same settings page so you can generate the bot token. After installation, you'll see a bot user OAuth token in your Slack app settings. This is the key n8n will use to authenticate. Keep it private. Now switch to n8n and open the credentials section. Create a new Slack credential, and in the access token field, paste the bot user OAuth token you copied from Slack. Give the credential a name you'll recognize later, then save. If your n8n instance supports environment variables or a secret manager, that's a good way to store tokens securely. With your credential in place, you can start using it in your workflows. To send messages, add a Slack node to your workflow, select the credential you just created, choose the message operation, and point it to the channel you want. Make sure your bot is invited to that channel before sending, especially for private or newly created channels. To listen for events, use a Slack trigger node. Pick the same credential, choose the types of events you need, and ensure your Slack app has the matching scopes enabled. If an event isn't firing, double-check permissions and that your app is properly installed in the workspace. That's it. You created a Slack app, set the right permissions and redirect URLs, connected the bot token to n8n, and used that credential to both send messages and react to events. Save your work, test with a simple message, and you're ready to automate.